The genius of ancient Roman innovation. Have you ever wondered how an ancient civilization, thousands of years ago, managed to build cities, roads, and structures that still stand today? The Romans were not just warriors or emperors, they were engineers, inventors, and visionaries who shaped the foundation of the modern world. The power of Roman engineering. The story of Rome is a story of innovation. Their empire stretched across continents, from the deserts of Africa to the cold frontiers of Britain. And what kept it connected was their remarkable technology. The Romans built roads so strong and precise that many of them are still used today. The phrase, "all roads lead to Rome," wasn't just a saying, it was a fact. These roads were designed with multiple layers of stone, sand, and gravel, carefully engineered to handle weather and time. Then there were the aqueducts, monumental structures that carried fresh water across valleys and mountains. Some spanned over 50 miles, delivering clean water to cities, public baths, fountains, and homes. This innovation allowed Rome to sustain millions of people, something almost unheard of in the ancient world. And let's not forget their architecture. The Colosseum, the Pantheon, and countless temples and amphitheatres showcase their mastery of concrete, a Roman invention that changed construction forever. Their version of concrete was durable, adaptable, and even resistant to water, which is why many of their structures still stand strong today. Everyday life in ancient Rome. But Roman technology wasn't just for the elite or for show, it shaped daily life. In bustling cities like Rome and Pompeii, people enjoyed amenities that feel surprisingly modern. Public baths for hygiene and socializing. Central heating in some wealthy homes, called the hypocaust system. Streetlights and organized plumbing that made urban living comfortable. Markets buzzed with trade, streets echoed with chariots, and homes were filled with pottery, mosaics, and art. Even entertainment was a technological marvel, from the massive Colosseum with its underground systems to intricate stage machinery in theatres. The power of organization and engineering. The secret to Rome's military dominance wasn't just in the number of legions, it was in how they fought. Every Roman legion was a machine of precision. Soldiers moved like clockwork, following signals, formations, and strategies perfected through years of discipline. Take the gladius, the short Roman sword. It was designed for close combat, short, swift, and deadly efficient. Unlike the long swords of their enemies, the gladius allowed Roman soldiers to strike quickly from behind the safety of their shields. Their armor, made of overlapping metal strips called lorica segmentata, gave protection without sacrificing movement. And their shields, the scutum, weren't just defensive tools, they were part of their tactics. When soldiers locked them together, they formed the famous testudo, or tortoise formation, nearly impenetrable to arrows and enemy attacks. But Roman genius truly shined in siege warfare. When enemies hid behind fortress walls, Rome brought its machines. The ballista, a giant crossbow powered by twisted ropes, could launch heavy bolts with deadly accuracy. The onager, a powerful catapult, hurled massive stones capable of shattering walls. And the siege tower, a moving fortress, allowed troops to climb directly into enemy strongholds while archers rained down fire from above. Each invention was a product of experimentation, mathematics, and engineering, designed to make the impossible possible. The Romans didn't just build an empire, they built the blueprint for civilization. Their inventions in architecture, engineering, and daily living continue to inspire our cities, our systems, and even our way of thinking. So the next time you walk on a paved road, turn on a tap, or enter a stadium, remember, you're experiencing the legacy of Roman innovation, a civilization that lived, built, and dreamed far ahead of its time.